Good morning, dear students of class 10. Today I am going to teach about the topic on unification of Germany from history chapters, nationalism in Europe. So the questions come briefly described about the concept of unification of Germany. When you write down this unification of Germany, many confused questions are having because three concepts are having in this chapter: unification of Germany, unification of Italy, and unification of Britain. So the leader's name about who was the Kaiser, who was the Guillaume Mazzini, who was the Otto Bismarck. Many questions are come from 1 mark. So don't you guys are confused about that. Just go through line by line and improve your writing standard and write down the notes for unification of Germany, the 1 page note, unification of Italy, another page note, and unification of Britain. So you guys are just practice on that. Then you guys are no confusion about this concept. So let's discuss about the question. The first one is the unification of Germany. How the Germany got unified. So the unification of Germany came into force by a process. What is the process? The process is when the conservatives of Germany develop a sense of nationalism concept, the unification of Germany is possible. It was a process. Second concept, in the year 1800, the strong feeling of nationalism was developed among the German people. In the year 1848, the middle class Germans was tried to unite the German Confederation to create an nation state under an elected parliament. Got it? Means the middle class German want to create a nation state under a elected parliament. In this process, third point, Prussia play an important role. The chief minister of Prussia, Otto von Bismarck, play an important role or crucial role for the unification of Germany. 1 mark question. Who was Otto von Bismarck? So your answer is Otto von Bismarck belongs to the country of Prussia and he play a vital role for the unification of Germany. Your answer. Next one. The Prussian military and the Prussian bureaucracy support a lot to Otto von Bismarck for the unification of Germany. Next one. The German got unified when the Prussia won over from last 7 years of wars. The Prussia is engaged with Denmark, Austria and with France. When the wars came into end, the German got unified. So in the year, which year? 18 January 1871, place at Versailles, hall name at Hall of Mirrors, the German Emperor Kaiser William was declared as the German Empire. Okay, he was declared the head of the German. When the Germany got unified, the Prussians showed their dominance in the Europe. Dominance in the Europe means the Prussia is the now play a vital role on Europe when the Germany got unified. Now the Kaiser Wilhelm won New German Empire. He was only focused on modernizing of currency, banking, legal and the judicial system of the Germany. These are your points when you have write about your notes, and when the questions come in the board exam, you have go through the only point wise and nothing to write about maximum line. 5 mark question means you have to write about only 120 words near about. That's all. Thank you for the day. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay, doubts ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, but prepare notes. It's for you, not for me. Okay, thank you.